Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to lock and hide apps on iOS 18 for extra privacy. First, locate the app that you want to lock and hide on your home screen. Then press and hold the app icon until a menu appears. In the menu, tap on Require Face ID. This option allows you to set up facial recognition for additional security. You will see options like Require Face ID and Hide and Require Face ID. For now, select Require Face ID to enable this feature for the app you want to protect. Next, press and hold the app icon again. This time, tap on Don't Require Face ID to remove the locking feature from the first app if desired. Now, hold the icon of a different app that you want to lock and tap on Require Face ID once more. This will secure that app with facial recognition. If you also want to hide this app, select Hide and Require Face ID. A confirmation message will appear. Tap on Hide App to proceed. The app will now be hidden from your home screen. To access the hidden app later, swipe to open the app library, which is usually found by swiping left on the home screen. In the app library, you will find a folder labeled Hidden. This folder contains all the apps you've hidden. To make the hidden app visible again, press and hold the app icon in the hidden folder. Then tap on Add to Home Screen. This action will place the app back on your home screen. Finally, to unhide the app, just tap on Unhide App. The app will be restored to your home screen and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.